welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to log in as a lecturer and see what privileges they have. So remember, I created a lecture user in the previous tutorial, and this is their username and their password. So I'll quickly log in. So now you'll see, as I logged in as a lecturer, I see more options compared to a student, but I see less compared to an administrator. So you can see at the top, I'm a lecturer. If I click here, I can see send announcement, which was not there on the student portal, if you remember. And these are the options that we have. So I'll quickly go to modules. I can click on students as well. So here I can see a list of all the students because I'm a lecturer. I can also add students because I'm a lecturer, right? So I'll quickly go to modules, and here on modules, remember this lecturer lectures 3 modules, right? So I'll quickly click on the first one, and now you'll see that button is back. Because I'm a lecturer, I can send announcement, and I'm a lecturer, I can set a test, and I'm a lecturer, I can upload notes, and you see how this goes, right? But since I'm a lecturer, I don't have an option to add new lecturers. As you can see here, only administrators can do that, but I can add students, right? So let me quickly show you assessments. Remember, this assessment was set by administrator. So if I quickly click here, you'll see this is the guy who set up the specific thing. So since I'm a lecturer, I can see the memorandum, right? So if I click here, I'll be able to see the memorandum, and yeah, this is all I can say as a lecturer. So let me quickly log in as a student and take this specific test here. So I'll quickly log out. Yes. And I'll go in as a student at gmail.com. Now I'm logging in as a student and I'm going to take that test. So I'll go to modules. I'll click on the first module, go to assessment, and I'll click on this test, right? So clicking on this test, I'll be able to see the amount of solutions that I've submitted. Remember, when I was setting this test as an administrator, I was asked the question of how many attempts must the person take. So I said no limit. This means that this student can write this test as many times as they want, right? So you can see here on this screen, I have 0 solutions. That means that I haven't submitted any test. And you'll see the memorandum is not showing here because I'm a student. I can't be seeing the memorandum before I write the test, right? So I'll click on the take test button. So when I click here, you'll see now I'm taking a test, right? So this test has no time limit. That's why there's no time moving here. If there was a time limit, you are gonna see time moving here based on how long the test must take, right? So in this specific scenario, I'm taking the test. So how many sides does a triangle have? I'll say 3, and I'll say next, and then pick the correct properties of a circle. I'll say radius. I'll say it has an area. Let's say, for example, I don't know that it has a volume. It doesn't have a volume, so I'll answer this even though it's wrong, and then I'll say submit. And then what is your favorite shape? I'll say my favorite shape is a triangle, and I'll submit. And now I can see a meme, just that my screen is a bit small here, but this is the meme that I see. And then it says upload your favorite meme. So obviously here you can put in like a diagram or an image of a shape or something and ask a question related to this specific image or a video, right? So now it's asking me to upload a file. So I'll click on file. I'll be on my PC at this specific point in time, right? So I'll click on there and I'll just upload this GIF. And I'll say that's my favorite meme, and then I'll say next, right? So now I'm confirming my answers, right? Verify your answers and submit. So now I'll be confirming, okay, was this correct? If it's not correct, then I can quickly change it. Or if it's correct, then I'll leave it. And let's say I make a mistake there, and then I'll confirm, re-upload the file if I uploaded the wrong file, and then I'll say submit. Are you sure you want to submit? Yes, I'm sure. So now it says submitted. This means that me as a student, John Smith, I've submitted a test, right? That means the lecturer or the admin who set up that test will get a notification that there was a new student who submitted a test. Go and mark it, right? So in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get over to mark a test.